everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, as you can see, I'm already in my car and I have arrived to my mining facility. You can hear it, I guess, because it's the only one ASIC is working there. It's in a Silicon A10 Pro, yeah, you understand. So the guys here, we are going to he's going to remove the window and then replace it with a fan and the extractor plus the turbine on top, which is going to... I was saying everything in my previous video, so you can go there and you can check it out. For now, let's just go inside and I will show you how is it looking right now. This is the extractor or exhaust fan. Motor is made of pure copper and its air volume is 1800 cubic meters per hour. Dust-proof, fireproof, waterproof and anti-corrosion. The window is removed, pads are there. Also this ventilator or fan I'm gonna use since I bought it and I have it here. Now we're going to cut the hole for the extractor. While he's doing that, let me remind you that it's very important to have a distributed inlet and outlet systems for the airflow. The exhaust fan will remove the hot air from inside, and to prevent the vacuum, I'll drill a hole and place a turbine which will bring fresh air from outside. I'll show you the turbine installation in my next video. What we need to do now is we need to cover it with special substance which will be waterproof, so if it's gonna be raining there will be like no problem for that wooden part. Okay, when the guy will finish his work, what we need to do is he also gonna change the light on the ceiling, but what I forgot to purchase is those what do you call them? Those hooks which will hold the canal with cables underneath the ceiling, and I will need to buy them, and then I have my drill, so I'm gonna drill it to the ceiling and then I will run the cords. Also we would need to make an additional socket for the electricity to check the ventilator, the extractor. So before I will place my machine there, my ASICs and my mining rigs, I'm going to clean them as I was promising to make in my new video, and I'm going to show you how to clean your mining equipment. You can see here the extractor is installed. Alright, I have decided to quickly come to the shop. It's like 10 minutes until they're closing and I need to buy those hooks so I can attach everything. So I'm gonna look for it right now. The shop is huge, so I need to find it. It should be somewhere, but where? Okay, so we've got those hooks and we bought those ones as well, just in case. We're gonna screw them with this one, universal screw, how do you call them, not sure. Also we bought the aluminium tape. I'll use it to cover the edges, and also I will attach the filter with that kind of tape. Okay guys, so everything is done. The only thing which is left, I need to vacuum there, so at least I will do something. And also I will try and drill the hooks right now because we bought them. So far everything is installed and we just need to check the extractor, how does it work. but I think it works fine. So let's go inside. I'm telling you everything now because you won't be able to hear me when I will be there. So yeah, let's go.